Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to update billing address on PayPal. This is a useful account management step that can help keep your personal and payment information accurate. If you need to change the billing address connected to your PayPal account, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. This is useful if you've moved recently, if you want your account details to stay accurate, or if you're updating the address linked to your payment methods. Keeping your billing information current can help avoid payment issues and make sure everything on your account stays up to date. It can also reduce the chance of a transaction being declined because the address entered during payment does not match the billing information connected to your card. To begin, log into your PayPal account as you normally would. Make sure you're using the official PayPal website and a secure internet connection before changing account details. Once you're on the main account screen, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This gear icon opens your account settings, which is where you can manage personal details like your addresses, account preferences, and other important information. The exact position of these options may vary slightly depending on your device or the version of the PayPal interface you're using. After you click the gear icon, you'll be taken to the settings area. Here, you will see the addresses that have already been added to your account. Take a moment to review the list carefully so you can confirm which address is currently saved and decide whether you want to add a completely new address or update one that already exists. You may also see which address is currently marked as your primary address, so check that information before making any changes. If you want to add a new billing address, click Add. This will open the form where you can enter the updated address details. Make sure you type everything clearly and accurately, including the street address, city, state, or region, if needed, postal code, and country. Enter the address in the same format used by your bank or card provider whenever possible. It's a good idea to double-check for spelling errors or missing numbers before saving, since even small mistakes can sometimes cause issues with billing or payment verification. Pay particular attention to apartment or unit numbers, postal codes, and street names, because these details are commonly entered incorrectly. If the address you want to change is already listed, simply click Edit next to that address. You'll then be able to update the existing information instead of creating a brand new entry. This is usually the easiest option if you're only correcting part of the address, such as an apartment number, zip code, or street name. Editing the existing entry can also help prevent several similar or duplicate addresses from appearing on your account. Once you've made your changes, review everything one last time and save the update. That's all there is to it. Your billing address on PayPal will now be updated. After saving, return to the address section and confirm that the new details appear correctly. As a quick tip, after making changes to your address, it can also be helpful to check any linked cards or payment methods to make sure the billing details match where needed. The address stored in your general PayPal profile may not automatically change the billing address held by your bank or card provider. Keeping everything consistent can help your transactions go through more smoothly. If a payment is still being declined, compare the PayPal address with the billing address shown on your card statement or banking account. And that's how to update your billing address on PayPal. Taking a minute to verify the information after saving can help prevent avoidable payment and account verification problems later.